This is the MoreTry Snap. This is some Chinese writing here, and here it says, not for children under 3 years. I don't think I know any 3-year-old children who know how to solve a 3x3. Okay, let's open it. This is the accessory envelope. Let's take a look inside. This is a MoreTry guide on how to solve the cube. This is a MoreTry cloth. And here are some anti-fog lens wipes. Interesting. This is another guide with algorithms on how to solve the cube. And this is a MoreTry authentication card. This will look good in my wallet. And this is a screwdriver for the tensioning system. This is the MoreTry Snap. I love the UV coating on this. It's also quite translucent as well. The camera might not be able to pick it up, although I can see X's on each plastic insert. I love the vibrant shades of colour on this cube. It's very light as well. I'll compare it to the Moyu R3M 2020. This MoreTry cube is about 10% lighter. This is amazing. It's very smooth and it's also quite glossy. It's very quick, it needs setting, it's quite uncontrollable. You can see the dragon scale inside and the magnets on each individual piece. The turns sound satisfying, although it's dry and not at all oily. What I like about this MoreTry Snap cube is the speed. It turns very quick. I like how light it is, and I like how it's also very stickerless. The only thing that I dislike about it is the turning. It's very clunky, and it auto-aligns as well. Overall, this would make top 5 out of all of my cubes I have. Is it worth the money? For me it cost £27, although it's definitely worth it. This is a bonus for you guys. My first ever solve on the MoreTry Snap. Got a time of 21.78.